This is the MacDrop. And basically what it is two magnets that connect to each other. So when it's not in use, the magnetic field is there and these two magnets will connect. Here's our DJI M210, Matrice 210. Now what you're gonna do is, first thing, you're gonna take out these 4 screws here. These are T8 screws. They're plastic to plastic. So you'll get your T8 and you'll just unscrew them. Alright, once those screws are out, then you're going to move to, and it's in your kit, we supply this in the MacDrop kit, but it's these 2 screws which actually hold most of the weight. These 2 here are T6 drivers. So T6, put that in there, and it's supplied, the screwdriver is part of your kit. Take those off, 1 and 2. Now you take your MacDrop mounting bracket, and there are 4 screws in this kit as well for the they're longer but the same thread, as you can see here, same thread. There's 4 of those. You'll put those in the 4 different holes that go into the main body frame here, and then the ones that hold a lot of the weight are these smaller ones, and those go in the front. Now these are all Phillips that it comes with, so you'll change your you'll get your Phillips screwdriver. You'll get your Phillips screwdriver and you'll screw all of these in. Now you don't want to go a little tight, but not too tight. The front ones, again, are the majority of the weight. It's going to hold on the front ones. This is where the most of the engineering is for the screws to be able to pull the most weight. The back, these screws into the frame, kind of twist a little tight, but don't go too tight. You'll feel them get a little tight. And one more. There you have it. That's how to screw in the mount system. Now once the mount system's screwed in, you could leave it there. If you have a case like we do with the one that it comes with, then this case here, there's a little knob that comes down, and that part you're gonna have to cut off. But otherwise, it works perfect. Still fits in there really well, and you can just leave it, leave the mount bracket. You can just leave the mount bracket on. Now that you got the MacDrop mounting system on, next step is to take the actual MacDrop system. You'll see the rail system here and here. What you'll do is you'll line those 2 up, and from the back of the aircraft to the front, you'll slide it in until it clicks. Once it clicks, it's on. To undo it, you'll see there's little pins on the side, on both sides. 1, 2 pins, you push them together, slide it backwards, it comes right off.
To activate from the app, click the three dots, go over to the aircraft. All the way down to the bottom, you'll see extended I/O options. Click that. Then back up to the top, you'll see enable power port, supply port. Click that, it'll turn green, which means the power port is on. You untoggle it, it's off. To do the Mack drop, it's always gonna be connected until you hit power to it. So you hit that power supply port, it'll drop. Again, click off the power, click it back up, it's connected. Click the power, and the Mack drop drops.